YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the subject. That subject is animal ecology. In that, it is included in zoology paper 2. So unit is introduction to ecology. In that, subtopic is ecosystem, biosphere, autoecology and synecology. So in the last lecture what we studied, so what is ecology? Ecology, ecos means house, logos means study. It is an interrelationship of organism with their physical and biotic environment can be called as ecology. According to E.P. Odum in 1963, defined ecology as structural and function of nature. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem, the result from interaction of all living and non-living components of environment is known as ecosystem. So there are levels of organization. So individual level of organization, that is organism. After that, population. As we know that population is a group of species that are interbreeders. Again, community. So all different population in the same area at the given time. Ecosystem. It includes all living and non-living factors in a given area. After that, biome and biosphere. So what the hierarchical level of organization we studied in the last lecture. So in this we are going to study about the ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? The system resulting from interaction of all living and non-living factors of the environment known as ecosystem. So ecos means environment and system means interacting, interdependent, complex. According to the ecologist A.G. Tansley, ecosystem is the system resulting from the integration of all the living and non-living factors of the environment. Here you can see the ecosystem, how ecosystem operates. Okay, interaction of living and the non-living components. So sun, that gives solar energy. The producers, plant, they photosynthesize and they convert radiant energy into chemical energy, that is carbohydrate, in the form of food that increases the biomass. On the producers, different type of organism like herbivorous. Here in this diagram, the rabbit is given. So rabbit for their food depend on the producers. So herbivorous that depend on producers. On producers, these herbivorous organisms depend. Again, the omnivorous organisms that also depend on the producers, and meat-eating animals that depend on the herbivorous. So this is the diagram of ecosystem. Again, the characteristics of ecosystem. The next point. Here, the ecosystem is a structural and functional unit of ecology. Next, second is function of ecosystem are related to its trophic level, that is flow of energy, that is flow from lower trophic level to the higher trophic level. Number 3, ecosystem structure is related to its unique structure. Number 4, amount of energy is required to maintain an structure of an ecosystem. Example, less complex and the less energy is required to the complex ecosystem and more energy required to maintain the simple ecosystem. Again, here in the fifth one, the green plants are the producers. They convert the radiant energy into chemical energy, that is carbohydrate, in a biomass utilized by the consumers. Again, biosphere. Okay, so what is biosphere? Biosphere is a part of the earth and the atmosphere in which many smaller ecosystem exists and operates. Okay, so biosphere, you can see here the three types, that is biosphere that forms because of atmosphere, lithosphere and the hydrosphere. You can see in this diagram. Again, biosphere Greek bios means life, sphere means sphere, is the layer of planet Earth where life exists. The biosphere is one of the four layers surrounds the Earth along with the lithosphere. Lithosphere means the rock, hydrosphere means the water, and atmosphere means the air, and it is the sum of all ecosystem. Biosphere is nothing but the sum of all ecosystem. Again, the next point is autoecology. Autoecology is the study of single organism or an individual species in relation to the environment. Here, example is a single tree in a forest or study of population of zebras. Here, Synecology. The Synecology is the study of organism of different species which are associated as a unit in the form of community. Example, study of forest or study of entire grassland ecosystem. So this is about autoecology and synecology. Auto means study of single and synecology means study of the community, or it is study of unit. Thank you.